today I'm so excited because my PrintPressions order finally came in. Now, I am a very impatient person and I did not order this from the PVC sale, so I did not get 20% off, but I just wanted to go ahead and have it. And now that I do, I can go ahead and set it up and start using it. So, let's flip it over this way. So it came in this box. It says PrintPression right there. Oh, also, we're not gonna talk about my nails. We're not gonna talk about it. Okay, good, awesome. So you open it up. It says PrintPression right there. Okay, so I will link everything down below, BTW. But the first thing in the box is this pink planner clip. This is the FauxBow charm in Ballerina. So Ballerina is the color and it is a charm and it's a bow, FauxBow, I don't know what I said, but I'm so excited, y'all just have no idea. Everything's packaged really nicely with a piece of thinner cardstock in there. So this is the FauxBow clip in Snow. Let's see, I will just show you. It just clips on like that. Super cute. And then I have 3 little pieces of paper here. So this one says, hello, thank you so much for the support. I hope you enjoy your new #FauxDori as much as I did creating it. I'm excited to see what you do with it. So they make these and he says he's a perfectionist, so let me see when I ordered these. I ordered these May 10th, and it is June 2nd. So it took a while to get here, but I'm okay with that. We have a coupon for Annie Plans Printable. I will link this down below. And then it came with this little sticker freebie from Sticker Insanity. And now, the piece de resistance. I got two planners. I am so excited. I hope they're both in here because it's not. Okay, so in the bottom of this yellow thing is just my order. Move the box for now. It comes in this nice bag. Y'all, I'm so excited. Yay! Oh, they're so cute. They're so soft. Okay, so I got 2. I will start with this cutie right here. So this is the Custom FauxDori pockets. This is the pocket size. The color is Iris, so this light purple color is called Iris. The thread is Iris as well, and I got the Snow Elastic. And on this one, I didn't get the spine reinforced. These are my first Traveler's notebooks, so I just kind of wanted to see how I liked it. And on the inside, I just got standard pockets on both sides. And this comes with 4 strings. So they're not very tight, which I like, or I assume that I like, but that one is just so cute. And I did buy the white elastic and the white bow, so those can go together. So this is gonna be what travels in my purse with me, like if I'm gonna go somewhere, I don't know, but I'm so excited. Okay, so that's that one. And next we have the B6 Custom FauxDori. This is a wide, so it has 6 strings. The color is Ballerina as well as the thread. The thread is also Ballerina. The elastic is Blush, and as you can see on this one, I did get the spine reinforced, which I really, really do like. For the pockets, I got, oh, well, these are not the right pockets. I was supposed to get a duo on one side and a secretarial on this side, but they're both duo pockets, which is fine. I'll just message him and see what he thinks. I did get a jump band in Snow and in Blush, so that's nice. And yeah, this is my baby. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to set this up. So this is gonna be part 1. Part 2 is gonna be a haul, and part 3 I'm gonna set it up. The only thing I don't like is I don't think this elastic is extremely tight, but that's fine. And if I want to, I can probably make it a little bit tighter. But I love how this feels. It's flimsy without being ridiculously flimsy, I guess. It is so soft. The color is beautiful. These two together, so pretty. Oh, and let me show you the, I'm so excited, y'all have no idea. So I got this bow. to go on here. Oh, stop it. That is so stinking cute. I love that. So anyways, I guess real quickly, let me tell you the prices. So for this custom pocket size, it was $25. So that's really not bad. And see, this elastic is a lot tighter than this one. This B6 was $30. You can't beat that, especially like me. This is my first one, so I wanted to try it out before I splurged on a more expensive brand. So this was $30. The charm was $5, and the clip was $3.50. So altogether, my total was $8 shipping, so $71, $8 shipping, $79. And it got here in 3 weeks or so. But I am so excited. I couldn't be happier. I am gonna message him about the pockets, but I will let you know how that goes down in the description. Just wanted to show you real quick. OC also, like my clip, this part is coming up. So I'm sure I can just glue that back in, but it's weird. Other than that, everything else looks wonderful. So thanks guys for watching, and I will check you in my next one.